Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are actually going to get ready for a family sleepover, and I want to thank LG Mobile for sponsoring this video. They have allowed me to use the LG dual screen smartphone, and y'all, I cannot begin to tell you how much this phone saved my life. The LG dual screen smartphone is absolutely wonderful. I was able to do several things at once with both screens, so they really helped me out. So this video is going to show you guys how I use the LG dual screen smartphone in order to get ready and plan for this wonderful sleepover that me and my family are about to enjoy. So I just want to show you guys how I use the phone and everything that it helped me out with. So let's get started. Of course, I'm going to start my morning off by getting ready, brushing my teeth, washing my face, giving myself a little exfoliation so that I can prepare myself to prepare for the sleepover. So, got to get the day started right. So what's really going to help me out today is making a to-do list so that I can stick to my tasks. So that is what I'm going to do using the LG dual screen smartphone. I'm going to just create a to-do list for me to use in order to get everything ready for the sleepover, make sure everyone's comfortable, make sure everything is tidy, and I have to put myself on some type of time. So I'm going to just create this list and give myself a certain time frame in order to do it. This process really helps me whenever I am trying to get something together for an entire family of people that love to just congregate and have fun. So I feel it is just sanitary and kind to change the sheets on the beds whenever I have somebody spending the night at my house. So that's what I'm doing here, just going to change the sheets on both of the beds. So if you guys want to check out everything that I have on the bedding, it's going to be linked in the description below. I usually don't allow my bathroom to get, chaotic, but I just kind of spruce it up by cleaning it just a little bit, the shower, of course, and the tub, just in case anyone wants to take a little soak. I allow them to enjoy, any parts of my house, but everything else pretty much stays like not spick and span, but clean. So yeah, I just kind of spruced up the bathroom a little bit. So one thing I really enjoyed when using the LG dual screen smartphone is that I was able, and listen to me, this is every person on a budget's dream, I was able to actually listen to some music on YouTube while having another app open, which is a great option for me, so that if I need to send a text message or something like that, I didn't have to get out of the YouTube screen and stop my music, because that's an upsell for YouTube. So yeah, I was able to do that, and that was very helpful, kind of see where I am. And I'm not gonna lie, I added 30 minutes onto my time, because who was not gonna get stuff done in 2 hours was me. So that is where I was. 30 minutes, actually like 40 minutes later. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep cleaning. So it is now time to do a social media break, and the LG dual screen smartphone allowed me to still listen to the Queen Bee, Beyonce, and go on Instagram and just update some comments and check some likes and anything like that that's going on there. So I was really excited to be able to do both, because honey, I made you cry. Oh, it's such a mess. I'm not doing a deep clean around the house because, like I said earlier, since I live by myself and I work in accounting, I pretty much am gone most of the time, so the house pretty much stays clean. But I kind of go over everything to make sure there's not a lot of dust or a lot of just, excess air pile up. But yeah, so I'm just straightening up the main areas of the house, like the guest bathroom and everything. And I'm definitely going to have to sweep the front porch because you guys have actually been helping me out with making sure that I keep spiders out of my house, because honey, they run rampant around here. Since it's an entirely new construction in this neighborhood, they are just trying to find a way back home. Okay, so yeah, my mom actually surprised me while I was doing that. I just heard my garage door open and I was like, well, what is happening in life? But yeah, she was actually coming into my garage and surprised me by coming a little early. So I'm sitting out my brand new doormat for the fall. I really love doormats, and I think this one is so cute. It adds a little laughter on the way in the house.
To work things out, to work things out. Can we be honest? You're my comfort zone. Whatever I say.
So we just made it to the grocery store so I can pick up groceries in order to make the tacos that we're going to have when my company comes over. So we're just going to eat good. And the LG dual screen smartphone allows me to be on Instagram like I always am and create a grocery list so that I can be organized once I get into the store and stay focused, because look, when you go to the grocery store and you go for 2 things and you end up with 25 things, it's a whole deal. So I have to stay focused when I go in the store, make sure I'm getting what I need to get, and I'm staying within budget. So I usually kind of just make sure that I have my grocery list on one side and then I have the calculator on the other, which really helped me just keep it open and speed things up while in the grocery store, because who doesn't have a lot of time as your girl, okay?
To work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah. To work things out, to work things out.
I want to make sure to have everything set up for everyone food-wise when they get here. My family loves to walk and eat, so I like to have snacks on deck. So I got a bunch of snacks, and I'm definitely about to get ready to start cooking so we can all enjoy ourselves and just sit around and really take in the moment of being with one another. So once my guests start arriving, we can all actually start having fun and just focus on that.
To work things out.
Since my mom is the ultimate decorator, I wanted to show her some of my backyard ideas. I want to have a pergola in the backyard, so the LG dual screen smartphone allowed me to show her what was available for purchase online, as well as the ideas that I came across on Pinterest. So it was a really cool moment. So honey, with all that being said, it is time to make food, sit and enjoy and dwell in the blessings. So that is what we're doing. You're going to see little jigs every now and then because me and my family are always singing and dancing and just being crazy. But yeah, it's now taco time and we are about to make some tacos for us to enjoy and sit around in the living room and just have a great conversation. I just want to encourage you guys, if you are not close to your family, please try to do something to kind of help bridge the gap a little bit, because family is so important, and I really enjoy the time that I have with my family. I don't know where I would be in this world without them. They have been extremely great, just a blessing, a good soundboard for any struggles or problems or life confusions that I may be going through. So I really encourage you guys, if you are not close to your family, or if you are close to your family and you found yourself drifting a little bit, kind of just connect with them over the holidays and keep that going throughout the years, because there's nothing like having a great family to really spend amazing time with. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now, is just eat and enjoy each other's time. So now, in your own words, tell us how you would use the LG dual screen smartphone. How would you enjoy it? What would you do to help it, to allow it to make your life easier? Just get in the comments and kind of join the conversation with us and let us know how you would use the phone. Honey, I have all the ideas, okay, of how I am and would use the LG dual screen smartphone. So yeah, join the conversation in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really appreciate you for watching, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Tell my heart